In this video, I want to talk about how you can fix the Microsoft something went wrong error 1200. So to do this, come here and search for percentage, local app data percentage, press enter, and inside of this local folder, you want to look for Microsoft. So press M and see if you have Microsoft. I don't have the normal one, I only have this one. So come back to app data, go to roaming and then look in here. And I have mine in here as you can see. So what you want to do is open this, find credentials and just delete credentials. Once you've done this, search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here type ipconfig//DNS, then type netsh space winsock space reset, press enter, and once this is complete you can close it down and then simply restart your PC and now it should work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.